Hey everyone, and welcome to the Freelance Graphic Designing Masterclass. After completing this course, you will be able to how you will become a graphic designer within less than an hour. And most important is that how to make money after learning graphic designing using a software called Canva, which is a graphic designing software like other graphic designing software such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrators, and many other software. But I think these softwares are now out of dated. There are a lot of software like Canva which can learn within an hour and use different types of template and designs and graphics. After teaching you how to do graphics, I will tell you about secret methods of social media marketers to use them to make a money online. You will learn all these secret methods of graphic designing to make money online, build and scale your graphic designing business. So enroll into this course and watch it till the end. Now let's dive into the course and learn everything from this course. Thank you. Hey everyone, welcome to this course. First of all, you will go to Google and then type canva.com simply, then press enter. You will be redirected to Canva design and then go to the top right corner of your dashboard. Then it will click on the sign up button. Here you can see there are three options here about the sign up. First one is the continue with Google, second one is the continue with Facebook, and third one is continue with email. You can choose any one of them to continue with other, or you can also sign up with your work email. And these are the options. You can choose one of them which you want to go to the designing software. Me too with next video. As you are logging into your Canvas account through Google or Facebook or using your email, then here you can see this type of dashboard. This is for you. Here you can see different types of templates will be available here, which you can will be use them, such as documents, whiteboard, presentations, A4 documents, resumes, videos, Instagram posts, posters, logos, and many others. Here you can view all of the documents which you can use them, or you can use whiteboards for your designing purpose, or you can also use your presentation for your company or any other types. Here you can see about different types of social media posts which you can design it, such as Facebook post, Instagram post, WhatsApp status, Facebook cover, Instagram reels, or TikTok videos. Here you can create your own videos or and use these all of these templates here to create short videos for your project. You can also here build online presence or websites working there. You can also explore about the more options here. You will see different infographics, photo collages, desktop wallpaper, gloss, and many other things. Or simply you can click on search button. Here you can search about such as you want to make a resume. You can click here, enter resume here, and press enter button. Then you will see all the templates of the resumes here. Some are being paid and many others are free, such as I can use these templates. Here you can click on the customize this template and it will take into another uh, dashboard of the Canva editing files. Here you can edit any one of these files Here you can zoom it or zoom out. Here you can change them according to your own way, or you can use any other templates here, such as if you want to replace other templates, such as I want to this template for my working, you can simply click on them and it's appeared. So it want to create we will use any other which is free template. We can easily use. Here you can see when simply click on it and click plus button, here you can see the template will be changed here. And you can also choose another template by clicking on plus button, add new page here, and you can add them here, and you will be there. You can also create your own templates by simply go to the home page and then click on the create a new design. Click here. You can search any type one of them, such as I want to create a Facebook cover page. Then I will simply type here Facebook cover, Facebook ad or Facebook cover. Then it will take into the Canva designing. Here you can create or use any one of the template them and edit them, or you can search here which type of you cover will be want, or use any one of them here available templates. Next we will describe other things, how to edit or create other things in the next lecture. In this video we will create a new design, such as we want to create a A4 document design. By click on documents design, you will be added with the Canva design here. You can simply change the color of your page, such as this page contain a white color, and if you click on them, this bar will be shows this is the selection. Our page background will be selected here, and you can choose a background color here. This is the simplest color, default color, which you can choose any one of them for your graphics, or if you want to choose your own color, you can click on the plus button, then you will drag and drop here, or you can choose here any type of color which you want. Here you can if you use the templates button, you can click here, or you can also go to the design here. You can template any images as a background, such as if you want to search here analytics, you will see here different templates about the analytics, or you can use also as elements. Here you can search analytics or analysis. You will see different images here. Here you can see all. Here you can go to the graphics, and here you can go to the photos. As analytics, we use this image into this, and if you click on the top right button on them, or drag or drop this photo, it will be go set into your background image. Here you can set where you want to drag or drop of your photos. Here you can drag them horizontally or vertically, or set this image into your background. As this image is set into the background, or you can choose this mm, from drag here, and it will be get a small size or larger size from, or you can set here text this image anywhere as you want to set them into a background. We will discuss in the next video. We will learn all about the graphic typography. Simply go to the left panel and click on the text. Here you can add a heading, add a subheading, and add a little bit about your text. Here you can see about the headings. You can change first of all, here you can see all the settings about the typography. Here you can change the font of your designing. You can choose any one of the font for your graphic designing, and here you can, if you go here, then can see you can down the size of your font or increase the size of your font. Here if you click on here, you can change here also, as you want to change your font size here, such as I want to change the font size into 64-bit. In the next you can see here, there is the text color. You can change any text color as you want to change them, or simply click on the plus icon. Here you will change the color which any type which you want to change them, or their increase or decrease the gradient of your colors also. In the next section we will move, as you can see here, you can bold it or you can unbold your text. As I click here, it will be bold, unbold, and when you click on it, it will be unbold. In the next, if you want to text into your italics language, it's very easy. By click on the italics icon, then it will put in italics. Here is the alignment. You can align into left side, or if you want to align them into the center, or on the right side, you can click on them. if click on the list icon, you can see here, you can list them into any type of them. Here is the spacing. This is the letter spacing and line spacing. As we want to change the spacing between the line letter spacing, you can change them as the letter spacing is increased in the words, while if we move into the left side, the uh, base letter spacing will be decreased. Here is the line spacing. You can decrease the line spacing or you can increase the line spacing as you want to decide. You can change this. Here are the effects. You can change the effect of the color of your icon, as if I want to add a text here, then add a heading, add a subheading or title here. We will affect on this heading section. By click on the effects, you go to the styles. Here you can change the styles of your settings. Here are the different types of tiles which you can increase or decrease the thickness of them, or this is the background color also will be changed as you want, spread or decrease. Here roundness, you can increase or decrease the roundness here, and this is the transparency, you can increase or decrease the transparency here. When we move down to them, here is the color of the background. You can change here the color of your background. Here is the curve. If you want to curve them, click on the curve section. It will be curved into the shapes. These are all the effect settings. And if you click on the more, here you can underline them, or smaller letter first will be the smaller letters, or as you want to change the effects, you can change the position here, which we described earlier. Here is the copy style, and here is the transparency, which we will discuss in the next section. In this section we will discuss about the grid section. Go to the elements and then type here the grid. When you see here, these are all the frames about the grids. Here you can click, simply drag and drop any type of grid which you want, such as I click on this. Here you can see there are the 4 types of grids. Here you can add images at any one of them, such as if you go to the element section and add a city, here different images of or photos will be seen to you, which you can use them into a specific grid. As you can see here, this image will be settled into a grid section. When you will move into the next section, you can add another images here. As I use this image, they will be fit into the grid as you want. You can change the position of this image by double click on them, and you can see here you can increase or decrease the size of your image, or you can move it upward or downward in the section as you desire. You can set them as you want to set them. When you will set a place, then simply click on here. You can see this image will be settled as I want. You can also change another image section. Here you can move them into downward or upward section. When you will here see here, this image will be settled as you want. You can add another image. Next we will discuss about the rulers. Go to the file section at the top left corner and then click on the view settings. As you click on view section, or when you come at the view section, you can see here show rulers and guides. Here you can add different types of guides and rulers here. First of all, add the page. Here you can add go to the files, view setting, then show rulers here. Sorry, it will be moving to the next section, and you can change the use these rulers to find out your bugs. You can add them into the left side panel. Here you can work them very easily with the rulers by using them, or you can move them into left or right corner egg. This is all about the grids and rulers. You can use it these rulers and grids for your proper functioning of your work. In this section we will describe about the gradients. Simply go to the elements and type here the gradients. You can see here there are different types of uh, gradients will be shown to you. You can choose any one of them and see here. You can edit them or change the color of your gradients here. For example, if we add an image into this, such as if we want to add the New York image, go to the photos and then add this image. First of all, we can use it. You can increase the size of them. We will set this image into all over here. In the next section we will go to the search box and search here about the gradients. Go to the graphics and see about the gradients. For example, we can choose this gradient here. You can set them on the top side here. Firstly, we will decrease the size of this image to enhance the. Here you can see you can increase or decrease their size. Here you can change the color of these gradients as we change them into black. Here I want to change some other color and central color. We also want to change them into green. Here you can see you can add the text about here, such as we want to subheading here, and this subheading is about the New York City. You can click on them and set them on this here. You can see this. This is somehow is attached about the images, about the color of this one. This is all about the gradients here. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the how to design, how to edit our templates. Here you can see this is the template which you want to edit them. Here if you click on them you can uh, move them into where you position as you want. You can also edit this text. Here you can change the text which you want to desire them. According to your desire you can change this text. Desire copy, such as you can also change these images into or drag and drop these images into space to another space. Here you can see here I change these images into with one another, or you can change them according to you. You can change also this, and if you can also group them according to by shifting the position, then this will be moved into as a group. Here you can see this is moved as a group with each other. You can ungroup them by clicking on more and ungroup this, or you can change the position of the text here, positions according as the top of the page, or you can send them downward or any other position as you want. And you can also repack here from your desired location as you was to be changed. In the next diagram you can see here this is also in graphics. You can change this text by double click on them, or you can change the images here, or any other things you as you want to change. Yeah. This is all about how to edit a template. Here we will describe in the next lecture how to redesign or edit. By clicking on the image you can see here image is selected. Go to the edit image. In this adjustment you can increase or decrease the brightness as you required. As the brightness is decreased, and when you will move here toward the right side, brightness will be increased here. In the contrast section, color contrast will be decreases, and when you move toward the left side, contrast will be decreases. Here the saturation, you can increase or decrease the saturation also. Here you can see the saturation of the colors will be increases, and inside you will see it as black and white. Here you can increase or decrease the saturation. There are the many type of filters here. You can see these are the filters here. If you click on all filters, you can try different filters which are very effectively used in to increase or decrease the saturation, or use all of these features into your images here. If you do not want to use the filters here, you simply click on none. Easily you can back into without filter images here. There is the smart mockups here. You can, when you click on CR, here are all the smart mockup here. You can see in the mobile phone the image will be goes through there. This is a large size image, so the mobile function will not be working here. We will try into another picture, as I want to take this image into a laptop screen. By simply click on laptop, we have troubling loads more. Check your connection. Due to internet connectivity, I think it has some problem with them. You can use it, as you can see here. It's some time taking. design will be goes to here. You can use this smart mockup. Sorry, due to the internet connectivity, it's taking some time. As you can see, this is settled into the laptop screen. You can change them or use them graphics as well as on them. Edit image. Next, you can see photogenic. These are all photogenics. You can see all the photogenics here. These are also the filters which you can use them, or you can, by clicking on simple on them, you can goes into the settings. Their setting, gradient setting, you can decrease or increase their gradients. Here is the auto enhance beta. By use them, automatically enhance your color of your images. Here, as I applied them, it will take some time. Here it shows the intensity. You can increase or decrease the intensity here, or you can use the show original intensity here. If you go back here, you can use another effects here, which you can use them on your images here. Here you can flip the image into vertically, flip horizontally, or flip vertically your image. We will use as of them. You can animate them your picture, as there are small animations which we will describe in the next sections. These are the 5 seconds, or this, like, you can use them as you decide. This is all about the effect. Here is the animation is applied. When you download it, it will be animated as you want. This is the time at which your animation will be shown. Here you can increase or decrease your timing here. Here you can see about the copy style. You can use copy this style into another image, and when you can click on transparency, it shows transparency with the background color or background image which you can use. This is the lock icon. You can lock background color. You cannot change them inadvertently. And this is the delete icon. You can delete any type of your image. This is all about the editing the image. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a Facebook post. By clicking on the search button, you can search a Facebook cover photo. All the templates will be shown here. Just you can use the pre-template. We will choose any one of them which is free, such as we can use this image. Click on this image and then customize this image. As you can see, there are two rabbits shown in the cover photo. First of all, we will add a cover photo here, add a page here. Then there are two types of rabbits here. We can choose a square. By goes into the element section and then search a square. By clicking on enter, you can see here There are different types of searches in the graphics, such as we are using by drag and drop this into this. By adding another, you can increase or decrease the size of this rectangle. By simply Control C and Control V, you can make a copy of this square, or by using Alt key, you can make a copy of them here. Again, click on Alt, then drag this image here. As I want to take the same type of distance between them, as we will increase the size of them. There are 1990 distance, which is perfect. We will increase the size of this box here by clicking here. You can increase the size of this box. Also, we will increase the size of this box. We will go to move in the central or aligned position. The size of central box is greater than, we will smaller than. As we seen this, we will go to the position section, and first of all we will select all of them as by shifting button and press the click on it. It will all together selected. Then we will go to the position and space evenly horizontally. As you can see, horizontally spaces will be with each other, and then we will choose the rabbit image, which is free, or we will use different types of images here. You can also change the color of this image. As we want to add a rabbit into this section, this color of rabbit will be settled here, and another type of rabbit will be settled here. As we decrease the size of this, it will be settled here, and align them in the center. In the next, we use another image of the rabbit. By clicking on it, it will be moved into this section. We will centrally align this, and now we want to add a text on this image. Go to the text section on the left corner, add a heading, and then add a subheading. When we add a heading here, you can change the color of this font of this heading. As we write here, beautiful rabbits. And you can also any type of subheading here. Hitting the buses. Or you can change the background color also here. can also change the color of your typography, as I want to choose this color for our typography, and choose this color for printing process or submitting. You can add any other text as you want and as you desire to this. The overall template are added here, and you can see we make a beautiful cover photo about the rabbits in this section. In this section, we will describe about the logos, how we can make a logo. Just go to the search section and type a logo, and there are different types of logos here. You can see this is the logo, technology logos, clothing logos, gaming logos, animated logos, and many other types of logos will be present here. We will go with the journal logos. Click on them and you can see there are a lot of number of logos will be shared, which we can use as a template here. Any one of them you can use them as a template. These are all the logos. We will use these logos into our project. There are many other logos which will be shown here. According to this logo, these are all other logos which will be shown here by click on add page and click another logo into your page. Here you will also add another page. By clicking on them, we will choose another logo. We will set all of them one by one. First of all, we will see in this logo. You can see here is the yoga classes. So here is the logo, yoga club 50 plus. You can change here the text by double click on it. Here we will take the name of our company, which is IT Tech. Here you can see IT Tech is uh, written. Less area and go. You can remove them or add them. Here we will edit this text again by double click on them and write here easy to learn. You can see this is also gone here. You can change or edit this image or change the color of this image. As this circle image, this is the circle which will be change the color of them. We will also change this color with this one. Now we will change the color of this part. It's gonna red, or you can use this another thing on this heart image, and we will change this image with the text image by the Elementor. When we simply click on this, different types of images are seen here. So we use this image into this. First of all, we will remove this image and set this image into the central position. Our logo is ready. We will move into the next section. Simply copy this text. We will remove this and use this text into IT tech company. Is You can also change the line spacing. We will change letter spacing. We will decrease the letter spacing and also send to the top to looking very nice and change this color also.
लैपटॉप दी जान कहीं और भी दुनियादारी वेख लिया
हाँ जी दसो जी केड़ी दुनियादारी विखानी we will describe about the chart how can I made a post and charts. First of all, we will search here a coconut. When coconut will be arrived, we can use them. Increase the size of this coconut tree. Take a down to them and click this coconut tree vertically downward and take them into the position of downward of this. Increase the size of them to reach at their size. Use this coconut and this one clip also flip downward vertically. As you flip this one, take down as it will made a shadow of this one. Decrease the size of this coconut. Break them vertically. Use the gradients. Decrease the transparency of this one. Also decrease the transparency of vertically flipped downward. then use a free fix here, down them into that position at you which decrease their transparency. Change the color of this vertically downward into white color and take some upward at the position of this. Now you can add text here by adding a little bit. We can use this one. Sorry, too many forms have generated here. We will use a single letter here. Change the color of them as it will look alike good. I can and will. Now we will use about the grass. As you want to go into the app, go to the search box and write here charts. You will see different types of charts here. As you can see, this is the charts. When we will click on this charts, different types of charts will be seen to you, such as bar charts, and this is also bar chart, row charts, and many other types of charts you will see here. As you can use them here to make a presentation to this one, such as we want to add a chart here. As you can see, you can change the value any of one of them, such as if we take this into 20, you can see item number 2 will be changed here, and when you change this one into 50, it will also change the directions. Series 1 are icons. You can also change them. Go into the setting, show legends. It will be changed happen, show labels, show grid line, plot, rows and series. You can see different types of rows will be seen to you here. This is the bar charts, and if you want to stack bar charts, then it will shown as here by clicking on them. If you want to row chart, then click on the row charts. You can see row charts will be shown here. Different types of charts will be present here with you. If you make a presentation for you or your clients, it will be uh, use them in your presentation to make it's very fruitful for your client or working as a Different types of charts will be, you can use any one of them which you want to use. This tutorial, the basic main of this tutorial is used to find out the different charts here. In this tutorial, we learn what's about learn from the previous lectures. First of all, goes to into the background color, then click blue color. As we want to create an annual report, go to the text section and add a heading. As you want to add a heading here, click the heading button and take into the top of the office. Here you can write an annual report here. Set this one into the single section. Add a subheading. As we want to add a subheading, for example, here we name the company XYZ company. Here decrease the size of the font, this font, and also uh, and take into the center of this one and take a paragraph. Go to the lorem and Cosium. This website is, you can use their text in free of cost, free of copyright. So as we can use them. As we add the text here, as we copy from the lorem optimum, which is copyright free, and now we will go to the charts section and add pie charts here. As this chart is drag or drop here, increase some size of these charts, and you can also add their values here, and you can also change the color of these pie charts from here. Now we will add another chart, which is a bar chart. Decrease the size of this chart and set at here. Here you can change the values of this chart. Also here, from here, now we will use an icon of crypto. Select the crypto bar and use them here. Decrease the size of this image. Here we can add a text. Add this text, such as the company name XYZ company, and we can also add a line here by searching an elements line. Go into the element section and search a line. Here can use a line such as we want to use a dotted line here to separate this one. We will drag this line below here to add a text here. value 1 and value 2 will be added in the lower section here. Go to the text section and add a little bit text here, such as we will add a value 1 is greater than value 2. You can also add a little bit about here, drag downward and write here value 2 which is smaller than other values. You can change the alignment here or drag or drop them. You can also add a line. Go to the element section and click on lines. Here you can add this line downward this to make it beautiful. As you can see, our annual report has been prepared. You can simply download them by going to the share button and then click to the downloads. As you can here, you can download this into the PDF format or change the format into JPG or PNG as you want to change this one, and click on the download section. Your file will be downloaded, annual report will be downloaded here, and you can view at here anything. This is all about the annual reports which we prepared by using Canva for your client. In this tutorial we will learn recently how we can use Canva design to making your website pages or website slides. By searching website, you can see different types of templates will be available here. These are all the templates which we can use them onto the website. You can see here the number of slides presents or number of pages which are present on per slide, such as one of 8 pages here, 9 pages, here also a 9 pages here, and you can see here also a 9 pages here. This is are the pro variants. We can use this one to make our uh, presentations for our website, as this one are the editing section. You can see here all the pages about this are present here. You can change them or as you desire it. And here you can see this is the option which is used as sharing this one. You can download, or if you go to the website link or you go to the downloads link, here you can see you can download into same those things such as PDF file, JPG, PNG, or if here you can see the website. Here is the website designing will be present here. As you can see here, without these are all the pages which is without navigation or with a navigation. If you click on continue, or you can edit the design here. If you click on the view section, option is for to you, as this is the standard form of showing your website. All the pages will be here, and you can make a subdomain for your website. You can change them here, their text, by editing the designs of you, or you can publish this for domain, purchase a new domain act. You can click on continue and write here your domain name, and then click on continue. It will be published on your site. There are three steps. Two steps are helping, and third one is write here subdomain and click on continue. It will be live to your website. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make animations and videos by using Canva. Let's go to into the search bar and write here social media. You can see different types of templates will be seen here. You can choose any one of them. There are a bunch of templates will be available, which you can use them, or you can filter them according to you. As I will choose filter minimalist, and then on marketing. You can see here different types of templates will be available with this one, and you can choose any one of them for your specific purpose. As I can use this template for our making the animation purpose. Here you can see this is the whole page, and when you click on animate, simply click on them. Here is the page animation here present, which will be as simple, sleek, or one. Different types of animations will be present here, and if you click on a simple an element, then it will be your photo animation here will be present. Here you can use them into as the pen, as this element will be moved in this, and this element on another way. There are many types of presentations will be seen on them, and you can use any one of them if you want to use them. These are all about the animation section. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a video into this section. As we'll go to the element section and write videos. You can see different types of videos will be showing here. You can use them into your projects, such as we want to use this video into as the into the section. As you can see, if we click on the specific part of take the video into at the specific part and drop here, it will be settled in this section here. As you animate them, and you can see this will be the playback. As we playback them, you can increase or decrease the speed of your video, or autoplay in presentation, loop for forever in presentation. And if you click on the animation section, you can choose the elements into your section, and when you play this video, it will be seen here. It will be goes into the video. It's some time taking due to the internet connection. can download this in the form of videos as you desire. And if you download these videos, when it will be downloading, you can view them as a video section, or you can also change the videos by replacing this. It's going to be downloaded. As this video is downloading here, it's some time taking due to the video animation. As it is animated, you can view them. As our downloading has been completed, so we can view them. As you can view them, this is all about the animation, and now the animation of the videos will be running here in this section. You can add many type of videos as you want to desire. According to your project, you can use them and edit them and animate your video. In this lecture, we will learn how to trim or edit a video by using Canva. We go to the uploads section. Here, as we uploaded images here, in this section you can upload a video. Here, use upload an image or video. Click on this and choose the video, then click open. It will be uploaded here. You can use this video to edit them or cutting them. You can edit this video by using click here. You can add filters here or adjust the tint or warmth. You can increase or decrease the brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, or fade them, color vibrance, or texture, or signature your video. You can also cut your video according to you. Such as we want to remove part from this video, you can go to this section and bring it at that point where you want to cut this video. Into the MP4 option and download the APK.